Hi there! Creating a professional video could be complicated and time consuming, but the video has become one of the main tools in today's business and marketing. So not having a good quality video may cause you losing to competition and much money. Therefore, today I'm going to introduce InVideo, an online video editor to help you make a professional video from premium templates, music, and image. So whether you are planning to do a YouTube video, an Instagram story, or a video to promote your latest restaurant menu, you can do it using InVideo. Let me just show you how is the InVideo interface look like. But before that, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel to watch more cool videos like this in the future. First, you have to register an account with InVideo. After you have logged in into your account, you can choose between 1. I want to convert article to video, or 2. I want to explore pre-made templates. We are going to check out the pre-made template first. Click on it. Alright, you can see from the screen there are many ready-made templates for you to choose, and you can also search by category, depending what kind of business or industry you are in, or any particular video you are interested. Or you can choose the video based on the video size and ratio. So example, if I want to do a video for my Facebook and Instagram, I click on this 1:1 square. So it will sort out all the videos that suit to this category. So if I point my mouse to any of the template, it will show a quick preview. So let's see. Okay, let's look at this puppy. It looks nice and cute. So if I click on it, a full preview with music will show up. So if I like, I just kickstart with this template to go into the editor mode. So this is the editor mode. So I can click on any item on this video to change the text, color, and whatever thing that I want to do. And you can also come here to the sidebar to add more text, different design that you can add to it, or even those sticker, effect, and whatnot. So basically you can just play around and edit the video as you like, as well as you can go ahead and upload your own. You can basically upload whatever you think you need, and probably I just want to add a logo to it, so I drop my small fish logo and put it here. The logo will show. I can resize it, and play around with all the necessary animation that I want. So when everything are good, I just basically click the preview and export button over here, and then it will show you a final preview before you can export the video. It will take some time. So if you are good, then you just click export video, and it will export the video into this project folder, and the video will process over here. And of course, in the project folder you can also see any other past project that you have made. Finally, you can share the video on your social media directly from here, or you can click the download button to download to your computer. Another very powerful feature InVideo offer is helping you to convert an article script to a video instantly by clicking on this option. So over here you can see there are many themes which are available, and as well you can choose the size. And this time, let's say I want to do a YouTube video with 16:9, and let's say I want this one look good to me. I click on it. Right, a full preview will show. Let's get started with this template. So when you get to this option, you need to add a headline, meaning you need to give a title to this project. Let's say I want to do my holiday in Japan. Right, so what do I do in Japan? And I need to add some content. Let's say I visited Tokyo and I have some sushi, as well as I do a lot of shopping when I was in Japan. And InVideo very smartly will auto suggest images and video for this project. I click next. Right, so now you can see there are suggested videos show up over here, which is number 1, holiday in Japan. There's a photo and video behind, Tokyo, sushi, as well as shopping. So basically I could click the edit button over here to edit this particular scene. So this is the video suggested by InVideo. So if I don't like it, I can basically choose from the library over here. For example, if I want to use this particular video, okay, this one look nice to me, so I can just basically click, pick and drop the video. So I click replace to replace the video. I can further trim the video into the time that I want. Okay, then I click done. So this video will be replaced. Then I click save. Right, so basically you can do this along the way. Click on any scene that you like to replace. You can edit on the video itself, or add an image, or do whatever text, sticker, effect and whatnot that you require, and you can just play around. And after everything are good, you are ready, then you can just click the preview and export button to share out the video or download the video. So overall, this is a simple, easy to use video editor software, which I like it a lot. I've been using it for some of my projects, including doing some marketing video, client testimonial, and etc. It is free now to register an account with InVideo, and it costs somewhat reasonable to upgrade into a pay account. Also, you can now enjoy a 25% discount on the upgrade if you find InVideo can help you create some stunning video to grow your business. Kindly check on the description below, where you can find a link and the discount code. Grow your business using video. I'll see you next time. Bye.